This is the other member of our family. She's not holding still. And she just had an encounter with Kiwi, and she tried to bite Kiwi's nose. One time. Very sweet. I think that's a good name. Yeah. And there's Kiwi over there. She does not like this little hamster. The hamster is dangerous.
She looks terrified.
Yeah. But she does, doesn't she?
No.
No, she doesn't? One time. Okay, yes, that's enough. I think that's right.